AbiliTrax is a revolutionary seating and equipment platform for Ford Transit, Ram ProMaster, and Mercedes Sprinter vans. It solves the #1 frustration of fleet purchasers, drivers, and business owners: compatibility. With AbiliTrax, you're no longer locked into one type of fitting or limited by which seats can go in a certain vehicle. The key to this dynamic platform is a patented X-Rail, American-made and engineered to accept L-track tie-downs, A-track tie-downs, step and lock seats, and cam lock seats. The AbiliTrax grid is uniform from vehicle to vehicle, so now you can finally interchange seats, wheelchair tie-downs, and lifts across your entire fleet. You quickly modify any layout to adjust legroom, side-to-side spacing, create larger aisles, and of course, add or remove seats. But the platform is just the beginning. Your vehicle's accessibility is dramatically changed through our shift and step lift system, which conveniently slides in and out of the door location to accommodate the needs of any passenger. Our cam lock seats install in minutes and offer a wide variety of styles for all scenarios, and our step and lock seats steal the show. In a matter of seconds, they can be installed, removed, and efficiently nested together for storage. All of our seats are FMVSS tested, include a 3-point lap and shoulder harness, and our step and lock seats can come with child restraint hooks. With AbiliTrax, you can dramatically improve what people are saying about their experience in your vehicle.